today we are going to take you for a jungle trek. Waterfall. Where are we going?
Yeah, so apparently about 25 minutes from here, up through the jungle, there's a waterfall that we can go and have a look at. So yeah, we're sticking Google Maps on and we'll see what we end up with.
So it's a quick pit stop. This place was recommended to us by Jazzy on TikTok. A little bit of mooping.
Can we have them hot?
Here they are. We've made it to the bottom of the waterfall. Still another 20-minute walk. We made it. It was more of a bush chukka trial than a jungle hike. Look how sweaty. You had to pull yourself up on ropes and jump over rocks and all sorts, but we made it. I'll put the location in the description.